This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, show me your GitHub. Show me your GitHub and show me your Linux operating system also. Okay, give me control as well. So guys, almost we are done with Git actually. Okay, just one or two commands are pending. Then we'll start Jenkins. So don't wait. That's fine. Okay, so already guys in last class we discussed about the branches. Okay, what are the like different branches we have and how to create branches, how to merge them, right? So now example, now is it up to date? Yeah, it's up to date. Example in future branch I have multiple commits guys. Okay, so let's do. Can you do multiple commits here in future branch? First create one file, touch 20 space 20 file 20, make it file 20. Okay, that's fine. Now git add dot. So those three commands are there, right? Git add, git commit, git push. No, no, no. Git space, add space, dot. Enter. Git space, commit space, hyphen m space, mm, mmit. Hmm. I, hyphen m space, double quotes open and close your description. Double quotes open and close. Double quotes, not bracket. Yeah, like this. One more. Now touch 21. Touch space 21. Ah. Now the same commands again. Git add dot. Now then git commit. Now git push. So one more commit. So like this, multiple commits I have. Okay, and in between maybe something, some emergency in development. So I don't want to wait until the branch, future branch is fully completed. Okay, now in between itself, I got some issue, and I have to push back. Okay, I have to. I need one of the commit, not all the commits. Enter. Okay. Now here, how many commits extra I have? Three as of now. Okay, but assume that multiple commits I did, like 20, 30. It's up to you. Okay, one of the particular commit, example, this commit I need in other branch, development branch. Okay, na? So compulsory in this particular commit, whatever the changes I did, right? So I need in just a minute, guys. Yeah. So whatever the commits I need, like whatever the commit I need, right? In this particular commit, how many changes I did, everything I need in one more branch also. Now git checkout dev branch. Okay, in dev branch I need it. So now let's make sure that everything is up to date from central. Yeah, we have everything up to date. Now in dev branch I need particular commit. Okay, na? So git cherry pick that particular commit, guys. So only that change I will get here. As of now, only one file is there in that commit. But assume that multiple changes, so that time it will be very useful. Okay, now you no need to redo your work again. Simple. Particular commit also I can get it like this. The ఒక్క చేంజ్ మాత్రం వచ్చేస్తుంది ఈ బ్రాంచ్ కి this to this branch. That is the advantage here. Okay, na, by going through cherry pick. If I need all the things, already I showed you pull request. But from command line also I can do, guys. But if I do command line, I don't get approval. Directly it will be missed. Okay, na? So if I do command line, so I'm in dev branch now. Assume that all future is completed. Now I want to merge. So generally we'll create pull request, but something if it is yours, no one is there, so no approval required, then I can go ahead like this also. I'll get all the changes. Okay, now in command line also I can merge like this, but no approval, directly approved directly. So I'll get those changes in my GitHub. Okay, now I can push them because in central also I need, right? Okay, so git log will show now all the latest changes. Latest changes. If I do git merge, so I'll get this extra commit also if I do git merge. So like this, we can get all the commits. If you don't need approval directly from command line, also you can merge it, guys. Okay, na? Directly from command line, also you can merge it. So this is how like git, guys. Generally, most of these, okay, like git developer only will work, guys. Our responsibilities are very minimal, like creating repository, creating branches. providing access to the repositories, integrating with the Jenkins. Okay, na? So those things are our. So we also maintain Git repositories for our configurations. Like we have shell script, Ansible playbooks, like Docker files. So for version control, for tracking purpose, we also can store our files here. Okay. This is about Git. Now the next concept is Jenkins, guys. Okay, na? So Jenkins is called as CI/CD tool. Why we will discuss slowly. Okay, na? So here, guys, in day-to-day life, developer keep on do the changes. But how he will come to know that the syntax is correct and I'm able to create an application with that code, right? So how he will come to know that? So there are some certain tasks, guys. Okay. So there are some certain tasks every time, like application team. Okay, so they should take care. It's a multiple team coordination. Okay. So like previously they used to do manually, guys. Okay. Previously they used to do manually. Those application build, checking syntax correct, then only application will be built. Guys, even though it is not a full-fledged code, you can build your application, guys. Okay. For building an application, you no need to have full-fledged code. I mean to say, like within one day we cannot develop the whole code, right? Okay, now so daily some part he will develop. So with that also you can create an application. So up to that only application will work. Okay, now so it may not be like fully functionality code, 100% working code for your application. So slowly he will develop it. So whatever he develop, we can immediately verify whether the I'm able to build an application or not. Is following all the rules or not. Is we can test our quality. Okay, now so previously once it goes to testing environment only, we used to test the quality and all. But nowadays, guys, for time being, okay, now so with the help of our tools, Jenkins tool, we are able to make it like even test cases also in while developing itself. Okay, na. So while developing itself, we are able to check the quality of the code, running test cases. So in that way, immediately you will come to know that you no need to wait until the whole code is ready. So if I do any change now, example, I one file I modified. Okay, na. So I no need to wait until the whole code is ready. Immediately today, if I do any change on top of that code, I will come to know that I'm able to build an application or not, quality is good or not, I'm following all the rules or not. Okay, now so with the help of Jenkins, I can make it. So now let's build a Jenkins, guys. So Avinash, I need one more EC2 instance. Anything, Amazon Linux is fine. Log into it. Okay. Here also set the host name as Jenkins. Host name space Jenkins. Host name space Jenkins. Hmm. Now sudo hyphen a again. So if you re-log in, then only that name will be effective. That's the reason. Okay. Now, guys, we are going to install Jenkins. So, generally, whatever the repositories you have, oh, sorry, whatever the repositories you have, I think Jenkins won't be there. See, Jenkins not there. Now, what should I do? Go to Google, say Jenkins download, Jenkins install something. We have official web page, guys, for Jenkins. Hmm. Yes, go to official web page. So always make sure that not only for Jenkins, anything you don't get directly by default, you should go with official website only, maximum, or trusted websites. So there itself you have. Here they are providing two versions, guys. Okay, na? It's up to you. Generally, guys, latest version only we need everywhere. But the thing is, if it is just 1 week back release, just to release, those kind of latest release we should not take. Actually, here they, if you read all these things, you can understand. Okay, na? So see, this is stable version. Means already 6 months back release. So why we have to go with the 6 months back release only, not latest mean? Guys, latest means if example if I use it, if any problem, no one will help you because it's a latest version. In real time, all everybody mute yourself.
Okay. How can you go to latest version of OS?
ఇక్కడ చూపిస్తుంది కదా. So here it will show you clearly. See, stable, regular release. అందుకే చెప్పా ఇది ఇది చదివితే ఇఫ్ యూ రీడ్ దిస్ యూ కెన్ అండర్స్టాండ్ విచ్ ఇస్ లేటెస్ట్ విచ్ ఇస్ స్టేబుల్. Stable means 12 weeks. See, 12 weeks back release it is, and it is latest release. Okay, na? So latest release only we go, but minimum 6 months back it should be released. Then only we'll go with that. Okay, na, in real time. If it is just a release, see it is just release only, guys. Weekly release. This week release it is. So we should not go with that. We should go old version. In that case, this is the old version. 6 months back, stable version. So we'll go with this one only. Now, which distribution is mine? Amazon Linux, right? So Amazon, Red Hat, CentOS, whether all are same. Just follow this. Go ahead, copy paste. Next. So wait. Actually, see here only in this command I given two packages. Okay, now only one is installed. See, it's here. See, is available. So it is asking to run this command. Please run this command. Can you wait? Can you please copy paste this command? This command. So guys, always we have to understand the outputs also. Simply don't go blindly. Okay? చదివి అర్థం చేసుకోండి అక్కడ ఏం చెప్తుంది అది సో ఇన్ లైనెక్స్ అండ్ ఆల్ 99% you will get the answer in output itself. Yes. Say yes. Next, this one. Yeah. Okay, you installed now. So open your Linux box. Okay. Here start your service. Systemctl start Jenkins. Systemctl space start space Jenkins. Enter. Enable also systemctl enable. So even if you reboot, after reboot also it will come apart. Wait. Now enable. Then go to AWS console. What is the port number for Jenkins, guys? What is the port number for Jenkins? 8080. Okay. So open 8080 port number. Security group. Click on it. Click on inbound rules. Scroll up, up, up. Come down. Edit inbound rules. Yeah, add rule. Eighty-eight. No need to just say direct number. 8080. Save rule. Now get the server IP address.
I do it.
Server IP. You are in security group. Go to EC2 dashboard. Here, server IP. Call. Yeah, copy that. Go to browser. Go to new browser. IP address colon the port number 8080. Colon. You haven't given colon. Server IP address colon 8080. Colon 8080. No, no, wait. Yeah. Now for the first time, okay, in Linux operating system, I need a password actually. How I will get that? This is a file in your Jenkins. Can you copy this and open this file by using cat? Copy this, go to your Linux box. Cat space that file name. Copy that. So this is the password. First time only, not day every time. Uh, Continue. Install suggest. What is plugin you will come to know later. As of now, just go ahead. Install suggested plugins. Retry. install suggested plugins. Yeah. So guys, already there is a user called admin. User name itself admin. Okay, na? But I don't want to go with the default user. I want to create my own. Generally, the admin user will be something with your project name, something like that. You will create one admin, and you will create normal users again. As of now, go with your own name, your name.
Have to create what?
Yes, create. Save and continue. What up? Anything wrong? Save. Just wait. Correct only. Then why it is just refresh?
Like, doing what?
I don't know why it's not pushing.
Showing
Here, can you change your name, a full name? Uh, Space, maybe give space. Uh, hmm, okay, email address. I don't know why it's not taking. Or is there any spaces in the email address? You should not give
okay.
space. Remove it. Hmm.
Starting is highly secure. After
Okay, let me give my name. Let's see. I don't know why it's not. Otherwise, wait.
wait.
I don't know why it's giving like this. Something wrong. Just one more time. Or else we'll skip as of now. Okay. I don't know why it's taking. Why it's not showing. When I press one more time. And now also okay fine. And now also fine. Yeah, I think now it's working. Hmm. I'm sorry, your voice is not audible.
If we are taking parent company is not taking care.
Yeah. Maybe I'm not sure. As of now, we'll skip it. Let's skip as of now. Move forward. Haven't finished. Start using. Okay. So this is
So
your. Uh,
later we can change the admin.
yeah. Later we can create it. That's fine. Okay. We'll do that also. Hmm. So as of now, so this is our Jenkins, guys. Okay. So this is our Jenkins. So can you please show me your paint session once and mute yourself, Avinash. Yeah. Okay. Here, what I am going to do. So, guys, this is my repository, and developer every time push the code from development machine to this repository, future branch, right? Actually, every time when he push the code, he should coordinate with his teams, like application team, database guys. Okay, na. So what they have to do, they have to create a application with the available code, and they have to check the they have to install that application in application server. Okay, and verify whether that functionality is working as expected or not. Okay, na. So those commands he has to. Generally, they used to do manually, but instead of that, now I'm going to integrate Jenkins with this repository. Okay, na? And Jenkins automatically will come to know that something happened in GitHub. How there are some settings for that. Okay, na? So we have to integrate our GitHub with our Jenkins now. Let me show you that. So create a new job. Say sample as of now. Sample. Okay, freestyle. What is freestyle? You will come to know in like once you understand the job and all. Okay, select freestyle and say okay. Go back. Say sample again. Yeah, it's created already. Okay, na? So actually we haven't completed configure. So I'm opening again the job. Job is nothing but commands. What you want to do actually. Okay, now first I want to integrate my GitHub, guys. Can you integrate your GitHub here? No valid okay. Provide your GitHub URL here. Open your repository. Now I have to add the credentials. Just a minute. Okay. Here let's add the credentials. Actually mine is public only, but in real time we use private, right? So that time you need this. I think something problem with the Jenkins. Actually, I think it's not installed properly. I mean, we installed correct only, but somewhere I think it's messed up. See, everywhere I'm getting errors only. I think it's not installed properly. See, even here also, you're actually you should get the options to set up username and password, but see, nothing is there. It's not showing. I think it's not saved somewhere it's messed up. Okay. So we'll do one thing. Maybe now anyway time is up. So in tomorrow class we'll see. I need this installation, guys. Who will set up before the class? I need this. Huh? Hello, guys.
Sir, I can take instance to help.
Yeah, make sure that because this setup not working.
Yeah, I'll
Freshly
give
do
it
it
to
one more time. Yeah, freshly do it one more time.
yes,
Okay, na?
yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Okay then, guys.
Complete active.
Yeah.